Good day, I am Joseph M. Ayala again. Now we will present the flower shape model project number 4. So, is we will relate the orders of the group and order of its subgroup. So first, we have improper subgroup, proper subgroup, and the trivial subgroup. Then for our improper subgroup, we have M is equal to MATHGENIUSROCK24 or ito rin yung sa group natin. Yun yung improper subgroup. Then for our proper subgroup, we have M squared or M sub 2, M sub 3, M sub 4, M sub 5, M sub 6, M sub 7, M sub 8, M sub 9, M sub 10, M sub 11, M sub 12, and M sub 13. Then for our trivial subgroup, we have M sub 14 or yung identity lang. 16 elements dun sa group natin, we need to find the divisor of 16. So, the divisor of 16 is 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So, we have here our order of 16. So, yun yung 16. So, for our order of 16, ayun yung improper subgroup natin which contains 16 elements. So, yun na tulad nga kanina, these are the element M, A, T, H, G, E, N, I, U, S, R, O, C, K, 2, 4. Then, for our order of 4, or the proper subgroup, we have order of 8, order of 4, order of 2. So now, dito muna tayo sa order of 8. The order of 8. So, we have here M sub 2 is equal to MAG or MAEG HINT. And for our M sub 3 is equal to MIE TSU24. So, bakit sila order of 8? Because it this subgroups contains 8 elements. So, for our M sub 2, we have 8 elements here. Then for our M sub 3, we have also 8 elements. So for our order of 4, so we have here M sub 4 is equal to MIET, M sub 5 is equal to MIU4, then lastly, our M sub 6 is equal to MIS2. So, dito naman, ito yung mga subgroups na mayroong 4 elements each. Then, for our order of 2, we have here M sub 7, which is the element of M and U, then M sub 8, which is the element of M and S, then M sub 9, M sub 10, M sub 11, M sub 12, and M sub 13. So, dito naman, these subgroups has 2 elements on each. Then for our trivial subgroup, we have M sub 14 or equal to our identity. Ito yung order of 1 natin. So, thank you for watching.